Let's make some delicious scrambled eggs. Crack the eggs into the bowl and add a little milk. Add salt and pepper to taste. Whisk the eggs until well mixed. Add butter to the pan and turn on the heat to medium. Let the butter melt. Pour the egg mixture into the pan along with some coriander and chopped green chilies. Now constantly stir the eggs as they cook. Use a spatula to stir the eggs. Keep stirring the eggs until they are fully cooked, but still soft and creamy. Presto! Your scrambled eggs are ready. These eggs are so creamy and delicious. The perfect start to your day. Yummy? Nothing beats a good plate of scrambled eggs.